Dr. Baker is founder, president, and chief engineer of M4 Engineering, working on many of the challenging designs and optimization problems, and founding 3 energy-related companies. Prior to becoming an entrepreneur, Dr. Baker previously worked for Boeing Phantom Works, where he was responsible for managing a group of engineers in the Structures Technology Division. Is that correct?
That's correct.
And he's also testing, prototyping. It's a prototyping center, I believe this is. And
you can hear the testing going on right now.
is that right?
Yes,
And also you do Sim Center Proto Tester Semiconductor Testing.
yes, we do.
Oh my God.
That's a lot of stuff.
There's a lot of stuff. So instead of me talking about your business, can you explain a little bit about you?
So I think this will also answer why Signal Hill. So a long time ago, I got my first real job out of college at McDonnell Douglas, back when there was a McDonnell Douglas just down the road. So that brought us into the greater Long Beach area. And I was lucky enough to start M4 Engineering some years ago, actually in Long Beach, and then in Signal Hill, and then in Long Beach, and now back to Signal Hill again, doing the same type of work that I started doing inside McDonnell Douglas. So it's a great place to start a company, obviously. There's a lot of really interesting stuff going on in aerospace these days. COVID clearly puts a little bit of a temporary damper on it, but there's still a lot of exciting things going on. And the reason for the prototyping center here in Signal Hill is really to help us support some of our customers who are doing some of those new things. So the electric airplanes and the new launch vehicles and things like that are happening sort of in the startup space. So we're very excited to be here, happy to be back in Signal Hill, happy to have the support of the chamber and of the city and the mayor, of course, and we're just very excited to be here.
Great. If you want me to test drive any new vehicles, let me know. I'd be glad to.
We're so glad you guys are here, and it's such an interesting time to be starting a new business. That's why I was so excited about this. In the middle of these COVID times, that we get the opportunity for a business to come here and open up and get up and running, and there's really a lot of infrastructure in this back room, and I don't know if you can get that on camera, but I don't know if that's proprietary or something, but it's fascinating. They got all this up and running and they got it going, and I think that there's a lot of reasons that Signal is a good choice for this. Like as an example, I think you were telling me a story about how there were some issues with Edison, and the city quickly stepped in and helped you out and straightened everything out and got the facility up and running quick. So that's really what we want to do for the businesses that relocate here or come here in Signal Hill, is to be able to help them out. And what I really want to see, Miles, is you've got a flyer back there that has the Long Beach address. I want to see this whole company move down here to Signal Hill, and then you can take that Long Beach address off there.
But we love both cities.
And lastly, I do want to thank the chamber for doing this. This is kind of this COVID pandemic kind of makes things real difficult. So I really appreciate you guys signing up Miles in the chamber, taking him on, coordinating with him, and getting this ribbon cutting. So thanks a lot. Thanks to all of you guys.
And I'll say one last thing. It's since March, since we've had this COVID situation. And I don't know any business or any city around the U.S. which has done a ribbon cutting. I think you're the first one.
That's true. Absolutely.
So for the first time ever, a new business starting during the COVID period, that's fantastic.